Hello guys, I'm Louie. Welcome to my vlog. Today's my video is how to make curry rice. Before we start, don't forget subscribe, like and share. So let's go. Okay, we start the cooking. Cut the beef and chops. Same like this. And then the next is stir fry garlic and onion with oil. If the brown color is coming, you can put the beef and then continue stir fry. Shout out everyone. Thank you for watching. I'm Louie. Don't forget subscribe, like, and share. Until 5 minutes. Still fry. You see? Then after that, put the water. About the 2 liters of water because 12 pro, and then cut the carrots and potato into tube style. Then additional green peas. Green peas is a frozen green peas. Then mix style. Continue boiled until smooth. And then put the carrots, potato. This is a simple curry. Very easy and delicious, spicy. Just wait again until the boil. Mix it. Continue mix. Then put the green bell pepper and red bell pepper. Cut into tubes again, and then put it for good smell. Very delicious smell. That's my favorite. Check it out, the piece, taste, and then very good smell. I'm so hungry. This is a curry powder, Korean curry powder, because I'm cooking a curry rice with Korean style, Korean food. And then check if okay or not. Now it's okay. Check potato, carrots, it's okay. And then put the curry powder again. You see, put the curry and then mix. Continue. If coming sticky, you may add some water. I'm hungry. Very good smell. This is a delicious food for the rainy season. Check it. I think we gonna add additional water. I think so. I will add additional water. But Oh, it's so good. Check this. Oh, so yummy. Wow. That is spicy curry rice. Oh, good combination with pork cutlet. Oh, very nice. I'm hungry. So yummy, delicious food. Wow. Thank you very much for watching me. I'm Louie. Don't forget subscribe, like, and share. Shout out everyone. Wow. It's time to eat now. Wow. Very delicious. So yummy. So yummy. Wow. Wow. And then additional the onion leeks. Oh, with pork fried. Good combination with the curry rice. You see now the serving ready to eat. Now we gotta go. Thank you everyone. Don't forget like and share. I'm Louie. Thank you for watching. I'm Louie. Don't forget subscribe, like, and share. Enjoy your meal. Thank you. Babu. See you again.